Got it.
We're recording.
Made me doubt myself.
It looks like it. Red light's flashing.
Recording. If I do that, I look like a little, like, you just see forehead and a massive nose. I'm gonna lean on the car.
Oh, you do.
Stops me wobbling.
Hi guys.
Sorry, you're gonna have to go again. I was just itching.
And with the help of my lovely assistant.
Assistant.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. For this video, I had a bit of burger almost come out of my mouth. I thought they're going to see that. I was going to go with it, but you'll see this little bit of like lettuce hanging just briefly as I suck it back in. And I thought, I know
I
for a
was
fact,
fine until you said there's a sucking back in.
I'm going to look in the edit, you just get a little bit of lettuce disappear back into my mouth. I'm getting there. That was almost like a quarter. 3, 2, 1.
I'm just awkwardly looking at you. Can you see I've got a key in my pocket? A light's meant to be really hot.
Yeah, because they're being xenons.
Oh,
They've probably got a fan on them as well. No, I can't click it, you giggle.
Introduce him. Right, no. No.
No, I looked at the camera.
Jesus, look at me. Look in my eyes, not around the eyes, look in the eyes.
No, sorry, I looked at the camera.
I was ready then. Did you not see my leg? We're so bad at this. See you in the next video, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Splat. Forgot the splat.